Welcome back. The small industry stakeholders have expressed need of contribution and coordination between the GIDC and GSIA to motivate plastic manufacturing and recycling in the state. The Industries Minister Mahadev Naik and the GSIA Chairman Shekhar Sardesai spoke at the 9th International Plastic Exhibition at conference in Panji. GIDC Chairman Ganesh Kankar assured IDC's support for the initiative.
प्लास्टिकाक म्हणजे जितली मदत करपाक जाय ते मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग आज म्हाका दिसता L&T कंपनी मोठ्या प्रमाणात अजून मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग आसा. आमी हांगा जरी लहान जर 50 युनिट जर असली जाय जाल्यार मुखाल्ल्या काळा भितर जी आमी लँड एक्वायर करतले जी जमीन संपादीत करून आमी ह्या उद्योगाक जे प्रोत्साहन दिवपाक जाय ते प्रोत्साहन दिवपाक म्हाका दिसता की आमचे माननीय चेअरमॅन जो आमचे GSIAचे चेअरमॅन यांची पुढाकाराची अत्यंत गरज असा.
एज आमचे GIDC आणि सरकार म्हणून जे करपाक जाय हांव मुद्दाम करून मेन्शन करता. 1-2 शेडीचे आमी प्रोविजन केल्ले आसा जागो दिवन जागो IDC दितले ते शेड बांदतले आनी थंय कलेक्शनूय करतले. म्हाका दिसता आमी आतां फक्त उबी जाल्या साधारण 1 महिने भितर चलपाक लागतले आणि निश्चितच तुम्ही जे पळय तुमकां जे कितें आमी सांगलेले IDC ह्यो गजाली तुमकां करून दितले म्हणून ते म्हाका दिसता फुडल्या 6 म्हयन्या भितर 100% तुमकां पळोवपाक मेळटल्यो.
As far as the thin plastic bags are concerned, can be dealt with, and don't throw the baby along with the bath water out. Let's create awareness. Let's create the conscious mind of the citizens where we responsibly handle plastic.
I-League holders Bengaluru Football Club are now the Federation Cup champions. Ashley Westwood's impressive team got the better of Dempo Sports Club by 2-1 in the Hero Federation Cup final at Fatorda on Sunday. This is the first time that Bengaluru were in the final and have won the cup. But Dempo have now finished runners-up on 5 occasions. Dempo's only Federation Cup triumph had come in 2004.
For the biggest day in this calendar thus far is the trophy which awaits the winner at the end of this match. Ball now with Eugenson Lingdo, who had such an impressive outing in the semi-final, capped it off with a goal. This has been turned back in, looking for Rooney, waiting for this ball right at the edge of the box. The knockback in, tries to set up Johnson, it's still bouncing around, a player has gone down to ground, it's been pointed to the spot, missed a penalty when they played in the Durand Cup semi-finals. This time he doesn't miss. To the right corner of Lakshmikant Kattimani's goal. And Kattimani guessed wrong, and it was always going to be 1-0 BFC.
Ball played on the front, but well, it's still there. It's Mandar Rao Desai with the ball. It's Romeo once again, but the fast start once again, which has let him down.
Stealing a lot of balls from midfield. This is Tolgay, looking for his own 6th goal. Outstanding work from the Australian. Missing it by a cat's whisker. All it's Tolgay Osby.
Spikake. Curling, inviting ball in. What a goal! What a goal! It's Robin Singh. Look at that tackle. That was awful, Devan.
Extra lines persons. Now this has been swung in. It's a header, almost on target.
It's Tempo. It's Harun Fakhruddin Amiri. It's a good chance. Oh, what an awful miss. Alvin George. Alvin still with the ball. What a final we are having. And that is the final whistle. It's Bengaluru FC who are the champions of this Hero Federation Cup.
And now the big one. It's going to be Mr. Anupam Datta, who's CEO of Football Sports Development Limited, who will hand over the rolling winners trophy to champions of the 36th Hero Federation Cup, Bengaluru FC.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.